Hi, I'm Neil Dunbar, and in this feature tour I'm going to show you SecureLogin Single Sign-On as an end user in an enterprise environment. Now every day I log on to my network. I check my email, I access company systems, and at each step I need to remember, enter, and manage passwords. Now because users often write their passwords down, or make them the same, or simply forget them, 40% of help desk costs are attributed to password resets. SecureLogin gives end users a better way with just a single identity. Let me show you how it works. I click Ctrl-Alt-Delete to log on, and then enter my network password. SecureLogin now retrieves my application credentials for me. I can open my SSO-enabled Windows applications. SecureLogin can also manage web and Java logins. And even multi-step legacy applications, such as this mainframe terminal emulator. SecureLogin can manage application events, such as password expiry or password change, without a user's involvement. And because SecureLogin enters my credentials for me, I just provide my single identity. The last feature I'll show you is SecureLogin's fully integrated smart card support. This optional feature replaces my network password with a smart card and a personal PIN, a strong two-factor form of authentication. I insert my smart card into the USB reader. I'm prompted to enter my personal PIN to log on, and it's just like using a bank teller machine. I now have smart card-based strong authentication combined with single sign-on access. SecureLogin can also prompt me to re-verify my identity when opening confidential documents or performing tasks such as a financial transfer. If I launch this password-protected PDF, SecureLogin prompts me to re-verify my identity before opening the file. I enter my PIN and SecureLogin enters the credential. This functionality can also be used without a smart card by entering my network password. Today you've seen how SecureLogin gives end users a single identity, providing a secure and user-friendly desktop experience.
Hi, I'm Mike Puckridge. I'm going to show you how easy it is for an administrator to manage the SecureLogin environment. SecureLogin uses your existing directory as the central store for all your single sign-on policies and encrypted user data. Here we're using Microsoft's Active Directory. SecureLogin also supports many other LDAP-compliant directories, such as Novell eDirectory, Sun1, and Microsoft Atom. I'll launch the Microsoft Management Console to begin. You can see we're using the tools that administrators are already familiar with. For example, eDirectory administrators would use Novell iManager. I select the user, click on the SecureLogin tab and click Manage. The SecureLogin administrative interface is where I can add applications. This occurs without any changes to the applications or their back-end servers. You'll notice that I cannot view a user's passwords. Only the user can do this. I can, however, set a new password. I can manage the application logins. For instance, if I select the PDF, we can see that the option to force the user to re-authenticate their PIN is set to yes. I can also set preferences and security settings. These include smart card options, such as letting the user store their single sign-on credentials on their smart card, as well as using the card to encrypt their single sign-on data. Within password policies, I can configure the length and complexity of a password, and SecureLogin can randomly generate passwords based on this policy. I can just as easily apply any of these settings to a group of users or all of the users in an organizational unit, as SecureLogin is directory-based. So even after SecureLogin's been deployed, you can easily update your system with just a few clicks of the mouse. The last feature I want to show you lets administrators single sign-on enable applications. I simply right-click on the SecureLogin icon and select Add Application. And the application wizard gives me three options: an extensive list of out-of-the-box supported applications, the second option for web logins, and the third option that caters for Windows logins. SecureLogin can also launch the wizard for me. I simply open the application, SecureLogin automatically detects the login fields, I click Yes. Choose the Windows type, then select the fields we have on display. I enter my credentials and click Finish. If I reopen the application, it's now single sign-on enabled. When I apply this application to a user or group of users, the first time they subsequently log into the application, SecureLogin will capture their credentials for all future logins. Today you've seen just a few SecureLogin features that help organizations streamline access to their applications, as well as enhancing network security.